Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about organic farming challenges and solutions. First of all, we discuss about fertility management in organic farming. To produce a healthy crop, an organic farmer needs to manage the soil well. This involves considering soil life, soil nutrients, and soil structure. Feeding the soil with manure or compost feeds the whole variety of life in the soil, which then turns this material into food for plant growth. Then, what are the organic inputs in organic farming? First of all, biofertilizers like rhizobium, azotobacter, azospirillum, and PSB are the biofertilizers used in organic farming. Next is vermicompost, vermi wash, compost inoculants, CPP, मटका खाद, etc. Now, what is vermicomposting? Vermicomposting is a modified and specialized method of composting. The process uses earthworms to eat and digest farm waste and turn out a high quality compost in 2 months or less. Vermicompost is not a biofertilizer, as is touched by some, merely an improved compost. Now the biofertilizers. Biofertilizers are ready to use live formulates of such beneficial organisms which on application to seed, root or soil mobilize the availability of nutrients by their biological activity and help in build up of microflora and soil health. Now the weed control in organic farming. In organic farming system, the aim is not necessarily the elimination of weeds, but their control. Organic farming avoids the use of herbicide as pesticides leave harmful residues in the environment. Beneficial plant life such as host plants for useful insects may also be destroyed by herbicides. Now the different methods of weed control in organic farming. First of all, mulches, which cover the soil and stop weed seeds from germinating. Next is hand weeding or the use of mechanical weeders. Planting crops close together within each bed to prevent space for weeds to emerge. Green manure or cover crops to outcompete weeds. Soil cultivation carried out at repeated intervals and at the appropriate time when the soil is moist. Animals could also be used as weeders as they can be used to graze on weeds. Next is bioherbicides. Bioherbicides are used for the control of weeds. Next one is pest and disease control in organic farming. Using crops with a natural resistance to specific pest and disease. Timely planting of crops to avoid the period when a pest does most damage. Next is companion planting with other crops that pests will avoid, such as onion or garlic. Providing natural habitats to encourage natural predators that control pests. Ladybirds, spiders, ground beetles, and praying mantis are predators. Now the disease and pest management in organic farming. For soil treatment, Matka Khad, CPP and Jivamrit could be used. For seed treatment, Trichoderma. For bioformulations, wormy wash, compost tea, cow urine plus lassi. For botanicals, neem, lantana, horsetail, eucalyptus leaves, etc. could be used. For mechanical preparation, pheromones, sticky traps, trap crops, and light traps could be used. For biocontrol agents, NPB and trichoderma are beneficial. Now the constraints of organic farming. Slow response of organic manures, low fertility, burning of crop residue, use of cow dung as fuel, lack of on-farm decomposition technology. Cost involved in green manure cultivation, short shelf life of biofertilizers, lack of awareness among farmers, yield loss in initial years, marketing problems. These are the constraints of organic farming. From all these slides, we can conclude that organic farming is a viable alternative because of its added benefits. As a result, farmers are encouraged to convert their existing farm into organic farms. It provides the consumers a healthy organic food for which they are ready to spend high price. Country has enormous domestic and export market potential for organic products. But for achieving all this, strong policy support from government is required to promote farmers centered research, education, development, supply of inputs and development of market channels for success of organic farming is compulsory. Thanks for watching.